This is a real simple one. You could do a push-up and hold the plank, come up, and just drive one knee in, then back out, then the opposite knee, and then back out, then push-up, okay? Simple. You can then do a push-up with the knee drive, and you do a little toe touch, where you take the toe and you try to actually touch the rim with it. So, push-up, touch, push-up, touch, okay? Next one is a push-up, leg crosses over and behind on the other leg. Come back, push up, come back. This is my favorite one. I don't know if you can do this, you probably haven't seen it. You're gonna do a push-up and you're gonna pop the dome, bounce it. Yeah! There we go. What I find with this is that this is more comfortable than any normal plank push-up because there's less stress on the wrist and you're able to actually do a little air and movement with the feet without the toes being jacked up. So remember that one as one that's an option for you.